Sync to device. If you click on this, this will actually download the data to your device so you can scan ID cards in an area where there's no Wi-Fi or LTE. This is especially good for PE teachers that will be scanning ID cards out by the track where they have no LTE, 4G, or Wi-Fi. You simply click on the rotating arrows, and once they turn green, that means you are now ready to head out and scan ID cards of the students in an area where there's no Wi-Fi. Now, if you click on buttons, you will actually see a green arrow there. All the other arrows that are gray, that means that those are not able to scan in an area where there's no Wi-Fi. Going off campus in this example has a green triangle. That means that this button can be used in an area where there's no Wi-Fi, LTE, or 4G.